So we've got the Bonanza out today. It's the V-tail. It's a 1300 kV on this under a 3-cell. Now if you remember from our build that we had to put some hinge tape over the aileron, so hopefully we don't lose her this flight. But let's get out there and see how she does.
Alright, are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, nice save. Is she twitchy?
Oh, she's twitchy.
Set up. It's intact.
Zach, tell us what you think.
Well, she was a little twitchy, a little fast. It was hard to go a little inverted. Needed to be trimmed out quite heavily on it. It was a little twitchy heading up and down, and it felt slightly uncontrollable, but that might have been the wind or me just being a new flyer. But man, she is a beautiful plane to see flying, and once we got her trimmed out, man, she was rocking. So yeah, she's a good little V-tail. A good little Bonanza.
Give it up for Zach. He's been flying for like 2 months. Well done.
Yeah.
So as you can see, there's a fair degree of commitment that we at Angry Zeppelin have for you, our viewers.
It's so true. All of this comes out of our own pockets, so please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below what else you'd like to see here on Angry Zeppelin.
Until next time,
Keep flying!